Good morning, guys. Day 2 of Northeast Drift Co. at New Hampshire Motor Speedway. Last night was great. We had a little birthday thing for Louie, and it was a good time. We had a blast. So I'm going to get up now. It's about 8 a.m. We're going to go do a little Dunkin' run and basically prep for today again. So let's go. Good morning. How was last night?
It was good.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Pound it. There.
I've never heard that happen. Everyone that heard that yesterday was like, I've never heard of that happening before.
Yeah, I didn't hear one person.
Doing drift things out here. All right, guys, so C-Group's out right now. Mark's going to be going out, so I'm going to get a little bit of footage of him, but I'm helping Jesse really quick. So he actually was running into a vacuum leak that was coming from the throttle body. Rob here actually showed us a little trick that by spraying brake clean, you can actually, like, if you spray brake clean and it either changes the idle in any way, that's basically your vacuum leak. So he went through yesterday for a few minutes and found it right off the rip. So we got some black RTV to fix the gasket here. Rob's actually working on the throttle body right now. And we're basically capping off a vacuum here. And I just put my hand all on that RTV.
Totally did.
I didn't know you RTV'd it yet. But basically he's closing up a vacuum line here for Jesse. So we're going to try to get this done before our run group. We got about, I'd say, like 45 to 30 minutes right now before our group. So he'll be ready to go. He's going to be stoked. So the main reason why we're here at New Hampshire Motor Speedway is not just because Northeast Drift Co.'s event. It's actually because it's a special event held by Ryan Cordona. It's a benefit that him and his wife came up with. It's actually clutch kicking cancer, and basically anybody that's been driving, so all these guys that have been driving that came up, signed up for the weekend, each person has donated $20 to St. Jude's research, the cancer's research. So it's super sick. They're doing this for a really, really good cause. They have a lot of merch. I'll be dropping their website right here and their Instagram and everything like that. So you guys should definitely reach out. And I mean, even if just get to know him, he's such a great dude and he's really making big moves. So it's really sick. So I'm actually gonna head on over to the tent right now and we're gonna talk and we're gonna, get the background on it and just see what's good.
What's happening?
There he is. So bro, tell us about Because. Tell us, basically what we talked about earlier.
Yeah. So Unite Because is our brand. It pretty much is the thesis behind it is finding your cause in life and not really settling in life. And it might be you're a musician, it might be you're an artist, you might want to have a clothing design, but we're only gonna get there as a community rather than trying to be not hold secrets, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
you want to be able to be transparent with your friends, your homies, and build a community. So it's community based, and we're doing Clutch Kickin Cancer this weekend. All proceeds go to St. Jude's, and it's pretty cool. This is our 3rd year and our 9th year, eighth year of doing something. Monica's mom passed away in 2009. The following year we started doing a run. Then we started Clutch Kickin Cancer, and in 2013 it was like a dream of mine to do this, and everything worked out, and I'm just really blessed.
Hell yeah, dude. I've been praising you all week, and I'm like, this is like I like coming to events that mean something. You know what I mean? I don't get me wrong, everybody loves events, but every time, one of my favorite events was Sliding for Autism. Anything with a cause, I will put any money towards.
That's
so
awesome, man.
It's so sick, dude. And honestly, I'm so thankful. So we're gonna actually walk to your tent and show us what you got. So.
What's up, guys? We're back here at the booth, and we're just here with Monica's my wife. She helps me out with everything we do. And this is our booth. We have Clutch Kickin Cancer shirts. We have season 3 that's exclusive for this event, and then we have season 2s here as well. Just trying to raise money for St. Jude's and trying to make a difference in life.
For sure.
Little by little.
The reason that we do Clutch Kickin Cancer is because my mom passed away June 25th of 2010 from cancer. Throughout her life, even before she had cancer, she donated to St. Jude's. And then once she got cancer and was going through what she went through, I think she suffered for 3 years. She could not believe that children have to go through the pain that she went through. And her thing was always no child should ever have cancer. I mean, no one should ever have cancer, but she couldn't believe that children had to go through what they went through. So the year after she passed away, so I guess 2011, my grandma, me, Ryan, Matt, my brother, my aunt, my uncle, we all put in work, and we created the Sandy Sellers Copley Memorial 5K. So we did that for about, how many years would you say we did that? 6 years.
I was telling, I was like, my
Yeah.
math might fall off. My dates might be
I
all
know,
off.
it's like so many years that we've been doing it, but each year, I don't even know how much money we've raised for St. Jude's
It's over
right now, but
40.
it's a lot of money that we've raised. The way my
As a
grandma did
team.
it is
Yeah.
we were able to get like blocks at St. Jude in Tennessee, and then also like a pavestone in the Garden of Hope, I
Wow.
believe it's called, yeah. So the first year that we did Clutch Kickin Cancer was
here.
the last year of doing the run.
Yeah.
So Ryan, the day of Clutch Kickin Cancer, I was at the Sandy Sellers Copley Memorial Run in Pennsylvania. Ryan was here, so we raised a whole bunch of money and donated that year. That was our last year of doing the Sandy Sellers Copley Memorial 5K. I was kind of upset because for me, I love donating St. Jude in my mom's name, and it's a way for me to keep my mom's spirit alive.
Yeah.
So Ryan knew that, and then the next year we did Clutch
Car
Kickin
show.
Cancer with Racing, the company he was working with, and we did it as a car show. So that was great. And then this year I thought was going to be our first year not doing anything, so I was like kind of bummed. And then at our wedding, I think
Yeah, Mike hit
reached
me
out
out. He's
to
like, what are you doing for
Ryan.
Clutch? Because I'm really close to Mike, and he came
Yeah.
to our wedding. And he's like, what are you doing for Clutch Kickin Cancer this year? And I'm like, I don't know. What do you want to do? He's like, dude, let's do a whole event. I'm
That's
like,
so sick, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
so
we
sick.
did. So we're doing it this year, and it's kind of nice because now I feel like Clutch Kickin Cancer has a home every year.
I was about to say,
Yeah.
do you feel like you guys have a
Yeah,
home now?
Like
God, yeah.
now, I
Yeah.
feel like I talked to Mike, and I was like, let's set it up ahead of time, because if we do it ahead of time, we can reach out to like other companies, and they'll donate things.
Yeah,
as
for
well.
sure.
So we can get like more raffles provided. My grandma used to reach out to Wawa, and they would provide drinks. So like maybe we can
That's
have, like,
awesome.
complimentary
Yeah,
drinks for the people in the like that join this and pre-register. So it'd be nice to like kind of do something and make it bigger and better every
Yeah.
year.
And I love that you guys even give back to the drivers too. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
even though we're donating,
Yeah,
you're
that's-
you're still getting a T-shirt out of it.
That's
Like,
something
it's
that's
so
big
sick.
for Ryan. Like,
Yeah, that's how I started my brand.
Clothing.
Is I blew up my
Yeah.
bearing here, and everyone was like, start a Patreon or a GoFundMe, and
Yeah.
I was like, I don't want to just get money.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
want to give you
He
something.
wants to, yeah.
So that's when I started the brand.
Yeah.
I was like,
No, dude,
Yeah.
It's legit.
Yeah, I was
That's
like,
legit,
I'll get
man.
T-shirts and also like I love like, we're gonna be able to make a video, and then also I'll send you the video.
Yeah, yeah.
Use it. And like I'll send you clips too.
Yeah, for
But,
sure.
I just love like the
Here,
community.
you just
Yeah.
love the environment,
So
dude.
good.
Yeah, and that's what I've been telling all these guys. Like, I'm so used to like a competitive environment,
Yeah.
and then when you come to like a community that everyone's together, no matter who you are, what you drive, what you do, like
Mhm.
it doesn't matter.
Oh,
So
yeah,
that's the
really
sickest
cool.
thing
And
here.
they're so willing to help. Like if you are like I was. Some people are drifting clicks for people. I did not click for me. It took me like 3 or 4 events to finally.
Oh yeah, for sure. It took me like 6 months, dude.
Yeah.
Like I sucked at it.
Yeah.
I still suck, whatever.
But
But
the team has always been so willing to help, and that's
and
one thing.
teach and guide you.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Like Mike's always on the phone with me. I'm like, I'm sorry, I always bug you for my car stuff. But I can fix this.
yeah, no, I feel you. I actually saw some of the footage that Mike was out helping you and stuff. Yeah.
He's went three
Yeah.
days of brutal.
That was a crazy weekend.
Yeah.
Ryan like passed out.
Yeah.
That was
Oh my God.
vicious.
Crazy stuff.
It was
Yeah.
cool, but yeah, next time we're gonna bring that car up. And
Heck
we're gonna have
yeah.
fun and
Heck
do
yeah.
all that good stuff.
Word.
So
Yeah.
I'm like, I want to drive, man.
I feel you, bro. I feel you. We're building our buddy Andrew's car right now, and he's still
Just down.
it's
Yeah.
down, and we're trying to get him out, but
Yeah,
it is
no,
what it is.
It's tough. It's a lot. So
No, but you guys are awesome.
thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
It's nice to
Make sure
meet
you subscribe to this channel.
And his right here, right here.
here.
Link in the description, guys.
Guys, you're awesome.
That's the homie right there. All right, yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Somebody better come get this blue freaking dangler here. Yeah, bro. Here comes Mark. Mark. Reversing. Yo, let's go, bro. Got you. You got like 3 feet, 4 feet, but it's all right.
I'm working on
Next
it,
time.
We're
Next.
closer and closer.
Did I get it? Did I get the wall? Yeah, did I get the wall right there?
You need a couple more clutch kicks, motherfucker.
Dude, I know, bro. Dude.
Like, literally, you need 2 more like on this one, and then 2 more over there, and you're out, and you're good.
All right.
It'll
Dude.
push you out.
Yeah, because it's fucking like gripping.
Yeah,
So.
because you get, Taylor did it the other day. Hers is gripping up, like the front end's starting to slide true.
Yeah.
So just keep the power on and keep that back end out, and it'll push you out further to the wall.
All right. Did I tap the wall?
You were close.
No, dude, I felt it.
Oh, really?
Check this side.
Hello? I did a big back pulling thing now.
Oh, yeah.
And some weight in the system right
Got it.
now.
You didn't have anything on the side before, right?
Nah.
Yeah, you got some.
All right, guys, so taking a break, end of the run group. Andrew's out here recording for you guys. Super thankful for that. He's like, nah. So I got in some love with some wall, so that's pretty dope. But Trackside Media's out here, Trackside Media. So these guys are always coming out here, always supporting us, and they're freaking great. They're awesome. You guys all freaking rock. I want high fives all around. Hell yeah. But if you guys haven't followed them yet, right here. And yeah, I mean, I'm pumped. Like, how are you guys doing?
Good.
You guys went to Lock City on Friday.
Yep.
Then you guys came here yesterday.
Yep.
And you guys are here today.
Yeah.
You guys got a full-time freaking job. You guys got a full-time freaking job. Definitely give them a like. I mean, check out all their content. And I am telling you guys, they got some sick stuff coming up soon. Alrighty guys, so all packed up, ready to go back home. What a freaking weekend. Northeast Drift Co., thank you so much. Clutch Kickin Cancer, you guys know how to throw down, man. It was a blast. Guys, so made it back to Andrews. We're gonna basically put the car in, unload all that jazz, and just get it going basically. But man, what a freaking weekend. Thank you guys so much. Clutch Kickin Cancer, NEDCO. I mean, Mike, you know how to throw down, bro. I mean, all these people coming out and I mean partying with us, and it was insane this weekend. Like I said it to all of our friends and stuff in our group, and I was just like, yo, like this was the craziest weekend that like so many people came up and like asked for help, and it just felt so good to like just like, yeah man, hey, like let's go. Like I mean, I got all the tools, like help people out as much as I possibly could. And then even with Jesse, like my car went down on the first day, Jesse's car went down, and I mean people just dove right in and were like, yo, we're gonna get this fixed for you. Like it's such a sick community to be a part of. And I hope one day that if you guys haven't been to a drift event, you guys will go to a drift event and actually see the camaraderie between everybody, and just to see that family aspect that like everyone wants to have fun, and like people will go out of their way to like lose driving time, so make sure that you're driving so you can have fun. It's crazy. But I mean, NEDCO, you guys are building a sick community, and I'm super thankful that I'm a part of it, and I know that all the guys are a part of it. Andrew, man, you're the man, dude, always helping me out, and I mean just like letting me have the car here and all that. And Jesse and Mark and Louie and Vlad and everyone, like I had a great time. I hope you guys did too. But that's about it, guys. So make sure, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, give us a like, drop a comment below, and I mean, like I said, check out all that gear that's been listed in the past 2 videos. And I don't know, man, but now it's school time, so I'm not gonna be able to be doing this for a while. So it's kind of, it stinks, but it is what it is. So hopefully I'll be able to get you guys some more driving footage soon enough. Till next time, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.